I'm Jay Martin. I'm Strategic Business Development Manager for Crest Co-operative. Everything that we do is designed to support people, provide opportunities for people, and we do that through recycling and reuse operations. Crest has for 20 years been providing services to the local community to collect unwanted furniture, unwanted textiles, unwanted washing machines, etc., refurbishing them all and selling them in our retail store for benefit to the local community. We've grown significantly. We've developed enterprises that generate their own income, so we became less grant reliant. The growth of our business has created more and more opportunities to support people and help people that are needing a little bit of a leg up. The white goods recycling facility is an area where there's opportunity for significant growth for us, because we're now working with other organisations outside of Wales even to repair their white goods for the benefits of their community, because we have a unique facility here. Every element of what we do grows week on week, month on month.